Introducing Vulcan 30, a versatile multi-use technical backpack for hikers, climbers, and travelers. After testing many designs over the years, we discovered most packs were too bulky and made for either travel or outdoors, but not both. So we designed Vulcan 30 to be versatile enough to take on the trail, mountains, or city. Made with durable, waterproof fabric, Vulcan 30 can handle tough weather conditions. Weighing in at 28 ounces, Vulcan 30 is lightweight and compact. With 8 compartments and pockets, Vulcan 30 makes stowing your gear a breeze. For the main compartment, we created a large, quick access pocket with an adjustable drawstring. Packing can be a tough game of Tetris. That's why we designed a perfect packing cube system. We also added a custom padded sleeve that functions as a laptop case and water bladder sleeve. An EVA foam back support provides maximum comfort and ventilation for breathability. Adjustable Velcros give you the flexibility to hold hiking poles, ice axes, and camping gear. We also included elastic drawstrings for holding skis in place. Cushioned waist straps are adjustable and feature convenient zipper pockets. Shoulder, tension, and sternum straps make Vulcan 30 easily adjustable. Front and shoulder gear loops enable creative, quick access. For those rainy days, we added a built-in waterproof rainfly bag. Whether you're hitting the trail, skiing, or catching your next flight, Vulcan 30 has the versatility to handle just about anything.